guys, it's a CNA Outdoors, and we're going to be testing these turbo whistles, and they should work.
We're testing out these turbo whistles today. The reason I bought them makes it double the horsepower, I heard. So let's grab your Crescent right here and try to put it on. I think that's tight enough.
How much you pay for them things?
$16.99 for the two, but the reviews on them are really good. So we're gonna start this thing up. See what they sound like.
Dude, they actually work.
I think we should double up the power here, guys. Oh, let's get my old trusty, crusty wrench and put it on. Ah, that works a little better. We're gonna see how much power this thing got in the rear end. She's got so much power. They're dual turbos. Now we're gonna twin turbo this Ford New Holland 5640. She's got about 60 horse. I just put these turbo whistles on this turbo skid steer. We're gonna go plug her and see what she sounds like.
Dude, that sounds good.
Dude, it sounds great. Really?
Yeah. Nice. Okay. All right, we got to get your reaction to it.
All right.
Start her up, son.
Remember, put your seatbelt on for safety.
Ready?
Yep. Rev her up. The red lever. You have to whistle on the tractor now. We'll see how she runs. It runs pretty low RPM. I maybe should get that checked out. But did you hear a difference? Because I sure didn't. Go. So we're just gonna do a quick tour of this farm. There's many more farms to tour. This is a Minneapolis Moline UTO. We just bought it. I don't know why, but then here's a John Deere 9560 STS. We upgraded from a 9550 because my grandpa wanted to go to the STS rotor combine. And then over here is a bale chopper. We don't use it anymore because it plugs the air filters too much. And then here's a OMC grinder we just use for the sheep. Then here's a 3288 International front wheel assist. We take pride in this one. Because when it's wet outside, when we need a haul manure, this is what we use, or one of the 4-wheel drives. This is a 350. International, or I guess McCormick Farmall. And here's a 5640 Ford, as you seen earlier in the video. Back there's a 560 diesel, a 4-row corn planter, an H Farmall, and yeah, that H Farmall back there is what my grandpa planted with, or my great grandpa planted with back in the day. And he used a 4-row corn planter on an H Farmall, and that's what we had. Over there's a old telehandler for things we just need to catch up on, you know. And yeah, and we do have a corn head back there, but we got a different one, so I didn't show you guys that one. And here's a manure spreader, 350 bushel they call it, Myers. And yeah, pretty much it. Just an old farm. We got quite a few plows back there. And yeah, we do have a 3788 in this shed, but these doors are quite hard to open this time of year. So yeah, we'll show you later in upcoming videos. This is my Gator, 6x4. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Top speed of 15 miles an hour. Pretty speedy. You better put your hat back, or otherwise it's gonna fly right off. The video's over. We're gonna end it off. This is the end of the video, and we're gonna end it off with putting this turbo on the lawnmower.